So, I'm about to eat my leftover. I'll bring this one over here. My leftovers. As you can see, I got my pigtail rice. This is the first time I'm actually eating this pigtail rice. It is real good. We have pigtail here. Yeah. Pass that again. Yeah. Actually, I don't know why. My ring, it's something I get trouble. Actually, yeah. Why you come over here? Bye. Okay, so it's pigtail, um, pigtail rice with baked chicken and mixed vegetable, peas and carrot. This shit is nice. Like overnight food. And then I got asked her from about much it is, not telling you. But my overnight oxtail with my spinach in it and butter bean. Yeah. So it's really nice. Who can relate? If you're from the Caribbean, I have a little cold, so I'm so stuffy. But who can relate? I'm sitting flat. I'm on the carpet. Like, I gotta get there.
Thank you, Mom.
Tomorrow, where the back of me?
Nothing.
Okay.
Just watching the video.
Whatever. This is so good. Overnight food is nice. But this is the first time I'm actually eating this pigtail rice. And it's really good. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Overnight food is the best. Imagine they have some overnight oxtail. Guys, it's the first time I'm actually using my ring light. So, it's actually giving me a little trouble. So, yeah. So, this is so good. This is so good. And the dumpling in the oxtail or spinach. So nice. So, green peas. I like green peas. string bean and carrot. I'm not a vegetable person, but you know. Let me kill this. And the chicken is real good. Courtesy of Matita. Dinner was good, sis. Yeah, this pigtail rice. Our pigtail rice is everything. See? Pigtail. I love pigtail. I love me some stew peas. And I love me some pea soup. So, guys, try this pigtail rice. If you never tried before, because I never. More dumpling. This pigtail rice is everything. I'm home today, so after we eat, I'm gonna watch Baby Girl Ear, and then watch some African movie. Can't eat no more. So, I'll leave it for later. This pigtail rice is everything. Well, we can't eat no more. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.